Hey everybody, I want to talk about this 3-in-1 Cat Professional power station with a jump starter and a compressor. I've had this maybe about 1.5 years now. Absolutely love it. Carry it when I'm about in my old hunting and fishing Jeep. I just slip it right down. It's got a hard bottom rubber so it's not gonna slide or fall out anywhere if you want to throw it in the back of a truck. It comes with your jumper cables in case you needed to jump that when you're out there. What I really loved about it for this past year is that I blew a tire when I was up in the mountains and I put on my spare. My spare was just a little bit flat, and this actually comes with a air compressor hose, so I was able just to pull this out, stick it right in, and you just turn it on just like that. And it has the gauge. It has a gauge right there that tells you how much air pressure that you're actually putting in. So it was a saver because we had no cell service, we had no way of flagging anyone down because we were on the mountain, and we were actually barely able to even get the tire switched out because of the hill that we were on. I have yet to run out of juice with this when I power it up. You plug it in and you actually charge it. I charge it once a month whether I use it or not because that was the instructions, and you basically just get your extension cord, throw it into a wall, and let it sit. Your initial sitting took about a day and 4 or 5 hours, but after that, I say it takes about 3 hours, 4 hours to charge it back up each time. And I love the ease at this because if you look right here, it has press and hold, and then it tells you how much battery you actually have. So you just do that, and red, yellow, green, full, medium, low, and you're good to go. And if you're out there in the middle of the road at nighttime, you even have a flashlight that is built in, and you just simply pop it on and off just like that. Especially if you have to change a tire, you can use this at nighttime. If you have to add some air to it, that was a super duper neat feature. The other thing that I like about it here is that if you have like a cigarette lighter or anything that would go into your normal old school cigarette lighters in your car, if you wanted to charge your phone, or if you were running something off of that, or if you're even trying to charge something else like a cell phone, you have that 12 volt DC right here that you can just pop it into, charge a cell phone or whatever it is that you're doing with that. But at the same time, if you had 2 cell phones or any USB slot right here, you can go ahead and just charge it from there as well. So you can get 2 different charges going on at the same time. And as you see here, you have a regular power cord if you needed to send this out and just run a regular cable like a fan or something of that nature. Let's say you're at home and summertime and all of the lights are out, air conditioning is gone, you can run a fan to this to get a little bit of relief until everything comes back into play. Here you have your actual power button, which you see it lights up right there. So 200 watt power supply. I absolutely love that as well. And then you have your on and off switch here. So for your compressor, all you have to do is flip that switch. Where you go? There it is. All you gotta do is flip the switch and you are good to go. I keep this on here just to protect it so it doesn't come on by accident, because as you see, it's just that switch. And so you just flip it and then your air starts and you're good to go. Like I said, I keep that on there just in case when I have it riding in the back of my Jeep, it doesn't flip out and turn on by accident. And when you turn this on up here, that's when you're going to be able to get your juice from here, and then from here as well, whether it's a regular cord or whether it's a USB or whether it's that 12 volt DC right here. It's a 1000 peak battery amp, which is also a great jump starter. Got 500 instant starting amps and 200 watt integrated power inverter. It's got a 2 amp USB charging port and a 12 volt DC accessory outlet. You really don't need another power cord with this if you got to do something really quick. Let's say you just need to drill something in the side of the house and your cordless drill is down, so you have your regular cord or drill with the cord on it. Instead of running that extension cord all the way around the house, you can just pick this up, take it where you need to go, plug it in right here, flip it on, and then you are good to go. The other thing I really love about this is the carrying handle. It's rubberized, it feels good, and it's super easy to carry. And one-handed, you're good to go. Anybody can pick this up. I don't know how much it weighs. I'm gonna say it's gonna weigh around 15 pounds? Nah, I won't say that's more than that. Maybe 15, 20 pounds. That's not a technical answer, that was a guess. So there you go with that. This 3 LED light is absolutely wonderful, especially if everything else has failed. You're out there trying to change your tire, or even just trying to look into your engine in the middle of the night and you need both hands. You just set this down, prop it up, set it down, flip this light on, and you are good to go and good to see. So there you go. It's ETL certified and CEC compliant, 120 PSI air compressor, and it's got a heavy duty brass tip, and it fits everything, especially bicycle tires. I use it a lot for my dolly. So there you go. The 3-in-1 cat professional power station with jump starter and compressor, one of my best buys.